Hello guys, welcome back. Today let us discuss the time complexity of another code. Let me read the question. Find the time complexity of the code below. Include IO stream using namespace standard, int main, all this or the standard code what we used to do. And here we are very much interested to find the time complexity of the code. Code is a code. So here what you are going to do, int I and n equal to 8 for I equal to 1, I is less than equal to n, I equal to I multiply by 2, see out hello world and return 0. So these are the four lines of code which we need to analyze the complexities. In the code there is a for loop which start with the value of I equal to 1 and every time the value is doubles the value of I in each iteration until I exceeds the n. What is n here? N equal to 8. Inside the loop there is a constant time operation. In the previous exercise we have discussed that C out is a constant time complex is order of 1 if it is alone, but this one C out is inside the loop. So we need to analyze inside the loop as well. So in the first iteration, before it is I equal to 1, in the first iteration I becomes double, and the second iteration I becomes again double, then it becomes 4, and once the I becomes 4 it comes out of the loop. So here this is the iteration will be happen. This is the initial setup of the loop, and for the third iteration I becomes 8, and the fourth iteration I will become 16, and this is the exit condition of the loop. This exists, so the loop runs only for 3 times. In this case we can say the every time the loop is double, so in this case the time complexity of the code is determined by the number of iterations. So the time complexity of the loop is determined by the number of iterations, which is log base 2. Here is log base 2. And how many times the loop runs, it's depend on n. So the complexity is order of log base 2 of n. Understand guys? So here what is happening, see here every time 2 4 8 16 32, so it's jumping in a logarithmic scale. This is 1 2 4 8 16 32, so it jumps in the logarithmic scale of base 2. So the complexity arrives, gets the log 2. So log 2 base log 2. So if it is if here I is I times of 3, meaning then it will become log 3. Now it is every time the loop is doubled, so the complexity is log 2. So log 2 how many times? The loop depends on the n, so here n. So the time complexity of the code of this code is order of log base 2 of n. This base 2 is this one, and this n is this one. Understand guys? See you. Have a great day.